Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a DeLonghi Magnific Cappuccino Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because, give me a second, find the original program. Too fine grind and no water coming out, and that was basically because the water pump was failing. And this is the water pump, the one that was in the machine. We replaced it with a similar like this one. As you can see, this one is for metal. It has a better construction than this plastic thing. So we replace the water pump and we give the machine a tune-up. We lubricated the transmission, the ones over here. We replace the infuser, replace the O-ring from the machine, which is should be around here. We replace the O-ring from the generator, as well as give it a good clean, and just a good clean in general. So start with one shot of espresso. We're going to start the machine. We could do a cappuccino or something, but we don't have really anything to test out this. So we're just going to do one simple test. It's a little bit light because right now we're on the coarsest setting of the grinder. So if you wanted to make it more cream and have more flavor, you will have to adjust the grinder. Make sure you adjust it on, when it's running, and just one click at a time. Make sure you do at least 3 shots of espresso before switching back again to a different grind setting. And now for this, I'm gonna test the steamer on a more doing the cleaning setup. As you can see, it's perfectly fine, throwing the water and steam. The way to do it. Fortunately, we don't have any the jug or anything to actually do a cappuccino, so we won't be able to test it out. But as you can see, the machine is perfectly working. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.